Hello and welcome to TVC News this hour. We are staying with the developments from the arraignment of former governor of Kwara State, Abdulfatah Ahmed, in Ilorin by the Economic and Financial Crimes Commission. Now, Justice Evelyn Anyadike has granted him bail to the tune of 50 million naira with two sureties with landed property in the state capital, Ilorin. He's also to deposit his traveling document with the court. Correspondent Evelyn Anyadike has details.
Former Governor Abdulfatah Ahmed had been in the custody of the Economic and Financial Crimes Commission since Monday and was eventually brought to the court on Friday. Some members of the People's Democratic Party had on Wednesday protested his continued detention beyond 48 hours by the EFCC. Journalists were initially barred from covering the court proceedings, but only two were eventually allowed into the courtroom after much pressure. The former governor was taken to court by the EFCC on a 12-count charge of alleged misappropriation of state funds running to 10 billion naira. He pleaded not guilty to all the charges. His oral bail application was granted by Justice Evelyn Anyadike.
These were filed and accepted by the court. The counts were read over to the defendants and he pleaded not guilty. And thereafter, application for bail was made by his counsel orally. So although we oppose that it should be in writing, his lordship was of the opinion that she has the discretion to allow them to move oral application, and was so moved.
Was granted bail on certain conditions.
The conditions are that he will provide the two sureties who must show evidence of, one of whom must show evidence of land ownership in Ilorin. They must bring their affidavit of means to show that they are people of means, and that, of course, their photographs also have to be in court. The first defendant himself will have to deposit his international passport and will require the leave of the court to travel outside of the country. Additionally, the court made an order for him to deposit 50 million naira with the registry of the court.
The second defendant, a former commissioner for finance, Demola Banu, was not in the court and was neither represented by any counsel. EFCC counsel Rotimi Jacob, SAN, claimed that he had jumped bail. Mr. Ahmed served as the governor of Kwara State between 2011 and 2019. As at the time of filing this report, his bail conditions were being perfected. The case proper will now commence on the 29th of April, and the judge has granted that the hearing will be an accelerated one. Ibrahim Alige, TVC News, Ilorin.